Welcome to the beginning of your fragrance journey. As you step off at Union Metro Station, also known as Al Ittihad, located in Dera, you'll find yourself at the heart of Dubai. Union Station lies below Union Square, one of the closest metro stops to the central portion of Dubai Creek. Thanks to its central location, nearby attractions include Al Ghurair City Mall, Twin Towers, and the Union Square bus station. Next, we make our way across the busy streets, heading toward our next destination. Take care while crossing the road. Now, let's embark on a little adventure. Let's board a boat for a relaxing, scenic ride. You can purchase tickets or use your Nal card. Safety first. Hold on while boarding. Feel the breeze as we glide across the water, and city fades behind us as we enjoy a brief moment of tranquility. Continuing on our way, it's a perfect moment to reflect on what makes you unique. As we step ashore, we find ourselves surrounded by a lively market. Colorful stalls, the aroma of fresh street food, the chatter of vendors all add to the excitement of this bustling marketplace. And here we are at our retail outlet, ready to welcome you with all the latest products and exclusive offers. See you in the next video. Goodbye.